Yo, it's Lily.
Your name's not Lily.
Yeah, but in this totally awesome script that nobody wrote, it says I'm Lily, okay?
We don't have a script.
Fine. My name's Kyla. There.
Okay, with that, anyways, what should we talk about? Celebrities?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. People are saying that Selena Gomez is pregnant. You know what I think on this subject? I think that people don't know what the chiz is talking about.
Isn't chiz for bacon?
Yeah, but I love bacon.
Who doesn't? I mean,
I know.
pig
Losers?
lovers? Pig lovers. Because they don't like.
Yeah. We get it.
Okay.
All right. So
I googled it and it, like, I don't. Sources say that sources say that that it was just food poisoning, but my personal opinion is that she really isn't pregnant either. So
Yeah.
Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez are like 2 years apart.
I know. It's
But
crazy.
I mean, you don't choose who you fall in love with either
True.
way.
Love knows no age. Love knows no age.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess what time it is? It's time for hottie comparison.
All
Where
right.
Taylor Lautner and the Robert Pattinson collide. This is what the score has brought us. Hottie. Ew. You get the point.
Yeah. Well, I think that's all the time we
Yeah.
have. Anyways.
Yeah.
Comment.
Subscribe, even if you're a hater.
Yeah. Who cares?
Just do it.
We love comments.
Yeah.
Subscribers. Well, if you know us, we'll text you, email you, check your Facebook.
Just keep your phone on.
Yeah, check your Facebook whenever you can. Whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah, bye.